Welcome with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the best pancake ever in this whole entire world. Alright, I did a video before of how to make the best pancake in the world, but I want you guys to stop making how you make it and make it this way. Okay, you're gonna love it. Alright, stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe, guys. Remember, the t-shirt them is available online. The link is in the description box. Click on the link and go over and support Chef Ricardo and the team. Anyway, I'm going to show you how you can make the world ever best pancake. They did the video before and I'm going to do it again, and I know this time there is tweet and twist and things to it. I'm going to make it plain and straight that you can make it at home with your kids. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you for watching. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically right over here you can see I have a big bowl right here. I have a big bowl and I got 2 eggs, self-rising flour, that's what you need. You need some sugar, you need some milk, and you need some vanilla, mixed spice, and also you need some cinnamon, and you need some butter. All right, over here you have to have a nice lovely medium-sized pan for pancake. All right, Pacific for pancake. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it through and make you guys can see the way I make this a marvelous pancake recipe. Stay tuned. Nice, I love this. The first thing we're going to do is get 2 eggs, whisk up the egg, some milk. I'm gonna use half cups of whole milk. And 1/4 cups of sugar. Teaspoon of vanilla, and we're gonna use a pinch of mixed cinnamon and a pinch of mixed spice. If you have not the egg, you can put a pinch of it also. So we're going to use the self-rising flour for the pancake mixture. But what we're going to do, I'm going to measure a cup of the flour. And I'm going to sieve it through. All right. 1 cup of self-rising flour. It can be light and nice. Take your time and just walk it through. And that's what you're looking for. Perfect mixture. Nice and lovely. Once you do that, you need to once you mix it up like that, simply pour it out into like a container like this, where very easy to pour to make a pancake. Nice one. Anyone can make this pancake at home, the way I do it. Very easy recipe to make and very simple and unique. So now I'm going to show you how to make that lovely pancake we need to make at home for pancake day. And as I said, you guys stop making it how you make it and start to make pancake this way, because this recipe is a fantastic recipe for you guys, where you guys definitely will love to make at home. All right, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. It's gonna be a fabulous recipe for you guys, and I know 100% you guys definitely going to love the way how I did my pancake. It is marvelous way, and it is a fantastic way, and I know you guys gonna love it. So now let's make some pancake. All right, nice and lovely. So this is the way where you make a pancake. I'm going to be using some butter in the pan. All right, make sure you have a nice lovely low heat. Not a really high temperature, because you don't want to. So we're gonna pour it out like this. All right. Just want to make sure you have a nice, lovely, steady heat where let the pancake. So once you see the pancake start to puff up, you know exactly what's gonna happen. They're gonna be start to cook. So take a good look, guys, and what's going on right there. Really nice. Look at that. Simple and lovely. See that? Looking, you can see it start to, you know what I mean, take its time and bubbling up. You can see those bubbling is coming up. You see? Look there, guys, look. So the pan is getting hot and hot and hot. So the more the pan is getting hot, is the more the pancake is getting cooked. So as you can see, those are the bubbling coming up through the pancake. If you say yes, the pancake is cooking. Fabulous work, Chef Ricardo and the team. You guys can do this at home. Look at that. Amazing. You just want to have a perfect heat underneath the pancake. So let's see what's going on underneath there. Yeah, perfect. So it didn't get the perfect brown color which I'm looking for, but I still flip it, you know what I mean, So let's flip it back over to see. Yeah, perfect. So we just want to get that nice lovely brown color. That's what we're going to looking for. Nice. So that's the color I need my pancake to look like this color, but it's perfect so far. All right, that's the color. So what we're going to do, we're going to do some more. Perfect. Nice and lovely. So I just want to get it perfectly now. Pancake day today. Look at that. Really nice and simple. And this is homemade pancake, you know what I mean? Yeah. We're talking about a proper homemade pancake. Can't go wrong. Yeah, perfect. Chef Ricardo recipe. Perfect. See that? Look at that. Lovely and nice. So that's my last pancake I'm going to make, and I will just take you over to make you guys see exactly how my pancake them look. You know what I mean? Chef Ricardo recipe. Stop, and this is the best way how to make a pancake at home for this pancake day. I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments. Subscribe is very important. Thank you for watching. And please stay tuned. Pancake day from Chef Ricardo and the team. Nice. See that? Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. We got a lot more recipe coming out and a lot more ideas, and this is the last of my pancake today. Enjoy it, and I will see you next year, them time again in the kitchen making more pancake. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned. Yeah, pancake there. Nice and lovely guys. So basically, as you can see, that's the pancake right there, and normally You know what I mean? When you do your pancake, you can serve it with a lot of different kind of stuff. So it's up to you. You can add sugar, butter, lemon, you know what I mean, strawberry, whatever you like to add to it. You know what I mean? But I just make my one plain and straight and simple to make for the fans. Enjoy the recipe, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.